Hello students, once again welcome to on my channel English by Giri sir. I welcome to all. Today I am going to teach you next part in grammar, pronoun. Let us need to be understand what is a pronoun and how we can define it in easy way. Pronoun, when do we see the words pronoun, we can divide into two parts, two groups. First one pre, second noun. Means when we are combining two words, now it is coming the words pronoun. Pre in place of noun, in place of naming word, and when we are telling the above structures flowchart. So here we are getting he is reading, and under noun we are getting Ram is reading. So definition it is coming. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Example I am telling you. Just see that. Example of pronoun. He is reading. This is the word he. It is referred to pronoun because it has been used in place of noun. So that was definition. And one example. Let us need to be discuss kinds of pronoun. There are 9 kinds of pronoun. Let us discuss one by one with their name, definition and example. First kind, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun indicates a person. A pronoun which indicates a person is called personal pronoun. Example, I play cricket. What I have written, I play cricket. The word I, it is referred to pronoun. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. These are pronoun. I mean that you understood these things. So that was the first type, personal pronoun. Again, I am moving towards second one, relative pronoun. Which one? Relative. Relative pronoun. A pronoun which shows relation. A pronoun which shows the relation in the sentence, it is called relative pronoun. Example, this is a forest where the lion was killed. Where the lion was killed. The word where, it is showing the relation between noun and pronoun, between two sentences. So you can say this is relative pronoun. This is relative pronoun. Next one, interrogative. means third one, interrogative. Interrogative pronoun. It's very easy. Interrogative pronoun, a pronoun which asks questions. A pronoun which asks question is called interrogative pronoun. Example. Who won the match? Who won the match? So the sentence now it is telling someone who is asking question. Question mark we had put at the last of the sentence, end of the sentence, and question word. These two things which is symbolize it is interrogative sentence and interrogative pronoun. So that was definition and example of interrogative pronoun. Next we are moving towards fourth one, distributive. Distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun, it is referred to the distribution in the sentence, the how the things now it is going to be distributed. Each, every, these words now it comes under distributive pronoun. Example, each of, each boys has played. The word each. The word each now it is showing the distribution. Distributions, number of the players, number of the boy means those who have played. So that was distributive pronoun. Next I am telling you indefinite. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. A pronoun which so indefinite in the sentence is called indefinite pronoun. Example, some, few. These are words which so indefinite in the sentence. That's why we can say the definition. A pronoun which so indefinite in the sentence is called indefinite. Example, few, few of them have failed. So this is related to indefinite pronoun. Rest of part we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you very much.